I'm Honorary Council of the Chechenian Republic of Ичкерия, and I would like to ask some questions about our problem, the Chechen problem. As you know, the Russian Federation attacked our country and destroyed it, and now we are very glad that the international institutions like the Council of Europe are taking the necessary steps to condemn Russia and to condemn Putin. So we didn't stop our struggle for independence. We have our government in exile, and now we have a partnership with Ukraine, a military partnership. Our army is created in Ukraine now, and I would just ask you, what support can you give us in our struggle? Because we are sure that the only issue, the only solution for the Ukraine is a transformation of Russia. Because if Russia is as if it is now, it will attack another time and another time. Russia started in Chechnya, they attacked our country, our independence, then we went to Georgia, then now they are attacking Ukraine. So what are the solutions? We have no voice in the Council of Europe. We have no voice, so I ask you, what solution, what technical measures can we take to get some support and help? Thank you.